Welcome to Mera Bookkeeping Tips. Today we're diving into reconciling accounts and sharing simple steps to help you find those pesky errors. Step 1. Verify you're working with the right account. It sounds simple, but when you have multiple bank accounts, it's easy to mix them up. Make sure the account you're reconciling matches the bank or external account you're comparing it to. Step 2. Look for transactions the bank has recorded, but you haven't. Some bank transactions can slip through the cracks in your books, like ATM withdrawals, special fees, automatic withdrawals, or direct deposits. Take a close look. Step 3. Look for reverse transactions. Sometimes transactions get entered backward. For example, if your difference is $200, check if you accidentally recorded a $100 deposit as a withdrawal, or vice versa. Step 4. Look for a transaction equal to the difference. If the difference matches the amount of a transaction, you might have marked it cleared or uncleared by mistake, or entered it twice. Step 5. Check for transposed numbers. These happen when two digits are flipped, like recording $45.85 instead of $45.58. It's a common slip-up. Step 6. Ask someone to check your work. Sometimes a fresh pair of eyes can spot what you missed. Step 7. Look for multiple errors. If you fix one mistake but still can't balance your account, go back through the steps. There might be more than one error hiding. Thanks for watching! If you found these tips helpful, please like and follow Mera Bookkeeping for more smart bookkeeping advice.